Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to save video from CapCut to gallery in just a few simple steps. If you're looking for a way to export CapCut videos into your device gallery, I will show you a simple method. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To save a video from CapCut to your mobile device gallery, first, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Once on the CapCut home screen, open an existing project or create a new video by editing clips. Ensure your video is complete and ready to save. At the top of the editing screen, tap on the resolution option. Select the desired quality and frame rate for your video from the pop-up screen. After selecting the resolution, tap on the Export button in the top right corner of the editing screen. CapCut will begin saving your video to your device's gallery. The process may take some time, depending on the size of your video. Once the export is complete, the video is automatically saved to your device's gallery. Open your phone's gallery and check it.